Are you studying every day but still not improving your English and OET? Am I right? I'm going to introduce to you three important learning habits that can completely transform your preparation. Welcome back to Edu Skills International. Today, I would like to share few valuable OET learning tips that have really influenced me. Recently, our mentor shared a recorded live session by our senior admin, Mrs. Arya Anand, and her team, where we listened to a recent winner's testimony along with discussion session between student faculty members and OET aspirants. Our task was to watch the session without skipping and identify the most useful learning tips. There were almost 69 points discussed. After listening and taking notes and reflecting on every point, I realized that each tip is valuable and can make a real difference in our English learning journey. However, from my perspective, I would like to highlight three key points. They are following one mentor, participating in daily discussions, regularly watching the EduSkills OET YouTube videos. Let's explore why I believe these three habits can significantly improve your English preparation. EduSkills will give you these 3 points as free gifts, completely free of cost. Are you ready? Let's see them one by one. Follow one mentor. Tip 1. Don't learn from 10 different mentors at the same time. Mixing up of strategies from many mentors can lead to confusion. So stay consistent. Consistency builds your confidence, which eventually leads to competency. Tip 2 is participating in daily discussions. Learning happens through interaction. It does not happen just by watching video session. Join daily discussions, ask questions, answer others, and learn from common mistakes. Every discussion will help you think critically, which will improve your English or OET. So, if you wish to join our August 2026 batch, please WhatsApp our mentor, Father Saleen. His mobile number is given at the description space. Once you become an active learner, you will be added to the daily discussion group on Telegram platform. Tip 3 is watching EduSkills OET YouTube videos regularly. Don't just watch the videos once. Make notes and share what you have learned. Repeatedly watching videos will help you remember the strategies and apply them confidently in your real exam. Do subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel and make a habit of watching your YouTube videos regularly. The YouTube playlists are shared across all our platform on a regular basis. Also, share your learning experience in the YouTube comment space as well as in the EduSkills Telegram main group. The links are given below. We are waiting to see you to succeed in your OET journey. Small daily improvements will lead to big results. Follow us for more strategies. Thank you for listening and bye for now.